Man. Ah, fuck. Hang on a second, like.
Freeze!
Like what's going on now? What I'm still. That's kind of up in the air. I like it, but it's up in the air. The last vocal, the last vocal into the fast part needs to be something.
From the acapella thing? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's good.
So we just need to keep We Could Last going the whole time.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. I can do that.
No matter how big your ego, we could last, we could last. We could last,
Hey, you know,
we could last.
Try waiting another bar before you start the fast part, and just come in with it. You know what I'm saying? Instead of doing all the fill crap, we'll just go. It's like we'll be like the last like. Could last, we could last.
That'll help me keep We Could Last on that
Just
scaling down thing.
We'll hit that chord really bam, you know.
Alright.
I mean, I don't know. I just want to make it simple, but I like it how it sounds like intimate, you know. It's like there's the full acapella vocal, but it's like it just kind of, you know what I mean. It lets you kind of soak it in,
Right.
And it just hits you.
We have to
But
make
the
sure
vocal's still
that
there.
that afterword is powerful. You know, that what the acapella has been building up to is something worth building up to.
You want to try that? Uh-huh.